All right. Oh, there's stuff there. This is such a strange setup. Okay, so hey guys, I am obviously not at my house, but I am visiting my mom's best friend right now. Well, my family is, but we're down at the beach. But anyways, I still wanted to put out a video this weekend for you guys, but I thought I would just show you guys my bullet journal. I was going to show you a completed flip through slash like talk through for June, as well as the 2 spreads that I set up for July. Yeah, welcome to the video. This is so awkward. I had to like ask my brother to go downstairs because he was playing video games and the whole thing. Alright, anyways, let's get into the spreads. We'll start with June. Okay, so if you guys haven't already, you should definitely go check out the, might be in that corner. You should definitely go check out my June Plan With Me video. I do have that video, so that is exciting. But this is the cover page that I ended up with for June. So it just has like these flowers down here, which were not shown in the video, but I did add those later. And then it has all of this checkerboards, and then you can kind of see it's like a reflective type lettering here. I'm gonna be honest, I did not really use this calendar at all. It has a couple birthdays on it, but there's not much going on here. So in my opinion, I would not do this again. I just haven't found calendars really useful recently, so as you'll see that I adapted that into my July setup. Now moving on, the next page, it was actually the only other one that I set up in my June Plan With Me, was my habit tracker. And so as you guys can see here, I just kind of slid down the middle, have all my habits here. I added a few of those flowers in that corner, and then I was just counting it, and each day had a different color. So you can see that. And then on this side, it was empty and I had no clue what to do with it, and this is like, it's not going to change from this. Originally, I wanted to do like a watering spread, so I knew when I was watering my plants, but I ended up not really needing that because I kind of set a routine without having to like write it down in my bullet journal, which I didn't think was going to happen, but it did, so that's chill. This is just proof that like your bullet journal isn't perfect, like, I don't know. Alright. The next page is my thoughts page, which I'm not going to show you guys up close, but I will show you kind of what an almost completed thoughts page looks like, because I know I never really show these completed, especially on my journaling account and stuff, because it has like my thoughts on it, so I'm not going to show you guys, but I can show you from like far away. So as you can see, I just have like thoughts, and then I did like little doodle in the corner, but all of these, I have each of those like tiny dots there. That's like the start of a new day, and I just write the number of the day and a couple thoughts that I have from it. Wow, it looks really cool on camera. So moving on to my weekly spreads. So I haven't been needing that much planning space. However, I did start summer school. You can also check out that video, summer school. My first day of summer school, I vlogged it. But I started summer school and I thought I was going to need more planning space and a different planning structure, kind of like going back to an old planning structure, but I actually found that I didn't. So then I ended up sticking with this weekly style, which pretty much I make a to-do list, and then each day it's kind of like a rolling weekly aesthetic, which I can pop some rolling weekly pictures up here. But a rolling weekly, it kind of just like, I write the day, I do my to-do list, and then the night of Monday, for example, I write Tuesday's to-do list, etc., etc. So then each day has exactly the amount of space that I need for it, and I literally did the exact same like layout for every single week. Like that's week 1 and 2, and then this is 3, which was last week, and 4, which is this week. So like same exact weekly schedule, like weekly stuff. I'm not entirely sure how I'm going to do July's weeklies yet, so I have not set that up. Now, moving on to the exciting part about this is the 2 spreads I set up for July and my July theme. So I decided to combine the cover page and the habits tracker, and this is what I got. It's kind of like a email folder type aesthetic, I think, like a digital folder kind of thing. And it's a little like oldish, like I don't know, but I really like how it turned out. So up here I just have this box, and then this is my YouTube growth tracker, which I like to include every single month, whether it be in my YouTube journal or in this journal, sometimes in both. So I have it in here this month. But it has this little box, and there's the X and the refresh, and it says July 2020 up there. I have a mini calendar because, as I said earlier, I haven't really been using calendars that much. And then I have important dates, so I can put birthdays there. Anything that I would have put on the mini calendar, I can put right in here in this box. And it just says July 2020. Then I've got my growth tracker. And then over here I have all my habits. Some of the habits that I have every single month are just like waking up to my alarm, cleaning the guinea pig cage, washing my hair, that type of stuff. Just things that are nice to keep track of. So I have all of those in individual tabs up here. And then I also included a little bit of washi tape, which, I don't know, just for fun. But I thought it added to it. And then the next page I set up for July was, of course, my thoughts page, which is super simple. But I just left it mostly blank because obviously I need to fill it in with my thoughts. So at the end of the month, this will be a lot more filled out. But it just says thoughts up here with the refresh and then the X. But yeah, so that is my July theme. Of course, you can go check out the pictures. They'll be posted a little bit after this video on the journaling account. And that'll be linked in my bio, as well as you can just look it up on Instagram. Yeah, so that is July. I hope you guys liked this kind of format of a video. I hope I can edit it tomorrow. I'm filming it on Friday, which is really late, but we were driving and it was a whole thing, so yeah. But thank you guys so much for watching. My hair looks awful. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys, I need to sneeze. I will see you guys next week, and bye!